Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking discount offer Facebook post in Canva. If you're trying to create a professional-looking discount offer for a new product launch and want to offer a discount, bonus, or anything else you want to promote, you can create a post about it yourself in Canva. Speaking of Canva, it's a really great site for beginners. If you don't have any experience with graphic design or creativity, you don't have to worry, because the best part of Canva is that you don't have to create your Facebook post from scratch or from a blank page. You just need to choose a template you like and modify or customize it. Within a few minutes, your post will be ready. Go to the search bar in Canva and search for a discount offer Facebook post. We're creating a post for Facebook, which is why we have Facebook selected. If you want to create one for Instagram, search for an Instagram post. Now you can see the Canva templates. Click See All to explore all the options. As you can see, there are many discount offer templates, from minimal to professional-looking designs. For now, maybe we'll go with this one. This one is free, or we can choose this one. Just click on Customize this template. Now you can see that I have full access to modify whatever I want. Starting with the text, select the text and double-click it to add or remove text. For more features, if you want to change the font, you can select a different font. If you want to resize your text, you can. You can also change the color or make your text bold, italic, underlined, or strike through, as well as change it to uppercase or lowercase. This option is for alignment. In a similar way, you can try all the features for customizing text. Moving on to the background, this is currently an element. If you want to add another element, you can add elements. You can add shapes and graphics like these. Feel free to explore the options. If you want to replace this image with an image of your own product, then go to the Upload section and upload your image from your PC. Your image will appear here. For example, I want to replace this image with this one. What I will do is simply drag and drop it like this, or like this. I'll just drag and drop it, and then double-click to reposition or adjust your image. You can also resize your image like this. You can modify and adjust anything you like. You can add your own image, or you can add your own background. If you want to change the color, you can do so like this. Click on the background and change it to any color you like. Add your own details, information, text, contact details, website, and everything else you need. When you're ready and satisfied with your customization or modifications, you can download it. Rename your file, go to the Download option, and download it in PNG or any other format if needed. Simply download it, and your discount offer is ready to upload to Facebook. You designed it yourself in just a few minutes. Keep practicing, creating, and designing in Canva. Thank you for watching.